Okay, I'm getting ready to get my fish and bake my fish for the Swai tacos. So I'm getting my fish, I'm getting ready to cut it.
Oh boy. Oh boy.
I'm gonna bake the Swai fish. I'm gonna wash it out real good. I'm gonna show you before as I do it, so you'll see what I'm doing. I'm getting it out of the pack right now. You can purchase this Swai fish at Walmart or at Fast and Friendly on Locust, or at 19th and Clybourne. If any of you know where Clybourne, that's the warehouse with the foods. So I'm gonna show you the fish.
Take your pay out of that fish.
I purchased mine at 19th and Clybourne or Walmart or Fast and Friendly, but it's other places that sells it. Okay, this is my Swai fish that I'm gonna make tacos out of. You can, as you see, it's flayed Swai, and this is excellent. And I'm gonna season it. I'm showing you how it look.
It's catfish.
It's a catfish. So I'm gonna cut it. So I'm gonna bake it and then I'll cut it up when I get ready to show you how to demonstrate it onto the taco shells. Soft taco shells or hard taco shells, it doesn't matter. But I'm gonna season it with some cayenne pepper, garlic, sprinkle me some cayenne pepper onto the fish. Give it a little spike. You don't have to put that much, but I always season it with it. I'm gonna season it with some onion powder, garlic powder, lemon juice, black pepper, lemon juice, and some black pepper. And when I get ready to put it in there, I'm going to put a little oil to it. Garlic powder, it just gives it some flavors. That's what I'm doing. Garlic powder, onion powder. Make sure it get on both sides of the fish. Then I'm gonna lay it in the pan and garnate it with some garnishing it with some parsley, and also I'm gonna put a little paprika on it. Oh, that pepper making me sneeze. So I have to get my seasoning salt. I forgot it. Seasoning salt. Oh Not that much. Just give it enough to flavor it, season the fish. Don't want too much. And I'm gonna get my pan out to bake it. So this is my pan, and I'm gonna lay it into the pan to bake.
I think I'm going back to work.
Kind of some big pieces. But it's worth it. I got 4 slabs that I'm gonna chop this up when it's time. So that's just the seasoning that I'm sprinkling over the fish that I marinated.
Man, they done come all the way from $1.25 fish. From $1.25, clean up to $15 since I was working. I started off, thought I was making good money.
So I just drizzled some lemon juice over the fish to give it a flavor. As you see, I don't want too much. And then I need the parsley. I put a little parsley on top of it, the fish, and then I'm gonna drizzle some oil. As you can see, I'm putting this parsley, a little parsley on the fish as it bakes. Sometimes I put lemons, dry onions, but I'm out of the dry onions, so we're gonna go without the dry onions today. That's why I use onion powder, and I gourmeted it.
Looking good.
I'm finna put it in the oven for 20 minutes. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna drizzle some oil over the top so it won't stick.
Yeah, that's how the fish is out.
That's all I'm doing.
Ain't gonna be enough.
You see, I'm cutting them strips for the tacos.
I thought you was gonna tear it up there like you did the salmon.
You put strips on here.
Junior didn't tear that up.
I'm drizzling a little oil.
Girl.
Oil over to the fish, on top of the fish. This is an excellent fish. You can do a lot with this fish. I'm gonna come with you as I do my swai coquettes. So I'm gonna put it in the oven for about 20 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350. And as that does that, I'm gonna finish getting ready. Wipe things down, and then I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna get ready to
You should be on that thing
make the salads.
You should be loaded every day. Breakfast.
I dip into the camera every once in a while. I'm camera shy, but I'm letting you know what I'm doing and how I'm preparing what I'm preparing. I didn't think I'd get this far, but it's coming along.
You're rough with it.
Oh, Lord. So I'm going to pause until the fish get ready and come out, and I'll show you how I do the fish tacos. We'll be back in a moment.